Pronto Reviews always warns that the information gathered to produce this video was taken at a point in time and may not reflect recent updates. If the item or product being reviewed seems to fit your needs, please use the link in the description to further check the item. Pronto Reviews looks at Workshop Solutions, LLC Auto Detailing / Cleaning Double 5-Gallon Bucket Dolly Pro Kit. This is a wonderful tool for the double bucket wash method in conjunction with the dirt dropper. Do you have the double scrub advantage? We do. It is the dirt dropper. This bidirectional movement of product is great for removing particulates from brushes, sponges, mitts, etc. This bidirectional movement of product is great for removing particulates from brushes, sponges, mitts, etc. This helps reduce scratching of finished surfaces. The Detail Double Dolly Kit includes 1. Detail Double Dolly, 2. 5-gallon heavy-duty 90 ml bucket, 2. Gamma seal lids, 2. Dirt droppers. The Detail Double Dolly Kit includes 1. Detail Double Dolly, 2. 5-gallon heavy-duty 90 ml bucket, 2. Gamma seal lids, 2. Dirt droppers. Please note that bucket colors may vary depending on stock. 6. 3-inch wheel casters, 1 with locking brake, 325 pounds. Weight capacity. Dirt droppers are attached with simply bolt and nut, making it easily removable. Car wash / detail system made easy, accommodates 2. Standard 5-gallon bucket. 2. Side trays for storing products / supplies, 2. Holders for bottles / cans. No more descriptions found, just pictures. We took actual reviews where they existed and scored them. In this case, the result is good. While we hope this review has helped you, we do always suggest having a look at the item through our link in the description. Thank you for watching this review, hope you enjoyed it. And have a great decade.